Welcome. In this video, I'll explain you how to solidify the object in Blender. For example, if you have the cube like this, if I press tab and go to edit mode, if I select this face and I delete the top face, you will see it's empty from inside. Press delete and face and select, delete and face. You can see this cube internally is empty, not the filled. So if you want to fill the object internally, or if you want to solidify the object, how to do it? Select the object, go to normal mode, object mode, select the object, click here on the modifier properties, and then select the solidify modifier. Here is the solidify. Click on the solidify. Now here is the thickness. You need to increase the thickness. Now you can see this object is now solid. Now it's not the empty from inside. So that was all about how to fill or how to solidify the object. Thanks for watching.